How to manage scheduled on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage scheduled on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom, let's go back and click these 3 points here and then click this one, chat, click on it and then just go down and you will find this one here, do not disturb. Click on it and then click this one if you want to turn it on, and as you see now you can manage here if you want anytime you want, and if you want to turn it off again just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.